What's up guys, Jared here with Standingtallautoreviews, and today's video is going to be the ride along of my 2021 Kia Forte GT line. As you can see, we already have it rolling, and I have it in sport mode because that's the most fun mode of the car in my opinion. So we'll go ahead. Before I start, I'm going to talk about the modes. So you have standard mode, which is like your regular normal drive mode, and we'll show a bit of that off. But you have sport mode, which increases the RPMs while you're driving. It tightens up the steering wheel some and changes the throttle response. Then you have smart mode, which kind of changes based on how you're driving. So we're going to do sport mode. I want to go and show you guys a little takeoff, and we're going to drive it around a couple of roads so you can get an idea of how the car sounds, how the car feels maybe whenever I talk about it, and you know, we'll just have a good time. So there's also manual mode, but we're going to keep it automatic for this part. So without any further waiting, let's go. And as you can hear, that CVT sometimes will hold its gear kind of high. It's made to shift itself, but whenever you're in sport mode, you're really hitting it, it'll keep those high RPMs. That way you can keep flowing good. So we got up to speed fairly quick for what you have. This isn't a fast car. It also is not the loudest car, which some people like, some people don't like. You can do stuff to it to make it louder. Only issue is you'll void that 10-year warranty, and I'll take that warranty any day over the sounds of the car. But you know, we're in sport mode. It's pretty quiet with the tires it has on it. Sounds good, and it drives good. You'll hear a little dinging sound in the background. That's my camera bag. We just filmed a couple of videos today, 3 in one day. So this will span out in 3 weeks worth. But we're gonna go ahead and just take it down this road right here, and I'm gonna change it to normal mode once we stop, so you guys can get an idea of what that's like. So switching that now, and we'll see it changing up here. So normal mode. And once this light goes green, we'll come back. So we're gonna go and get going. We're in normal mode now. So as you can see in normal mode, RPMs are lower. I don't know if you can really tell, but in sport mode, the RPM typically holds at around 2,000. In normal mode, it kind of coasts down like normal unless you're hitting it. So just cruising down. Drives great. It's, like I said, fairly quiet. You can make it loud by hitting it or by doing modifications. But I mean, it is a fairly quiet car. And now we're stopping at another red light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to manual mode, which brings it to sport mode. And I want to show you guys how it goes with the shifting. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm going to let them get a distance. So here's manual mode. And as you can see, it shifts really quick. Like as soon as I hit the shifter, it shifts. So it feels like a real transmission when you do that. It goes all the way up to 7-speed, so you can row through 7 gears. And like I said, with how responsive it is, I mean, it feels like a real one, even though it's a CVT. I don't have much experience with manuals, so I don't know if it feels like a manual. Obviously, there's no clutch, so I can't really say anything regarding to that. But that was my turn right there. We're just gonna keep going straight because why not? I'm gonna put it back in regular mode because you can do that while you're driving. It doesn't hurt it. And we're just gonna coast down here and figure out how to get back where we need to go. So I'll be right back while I figure this out. Guys, so now I have my map pulled up so I know where the heck I'm going because I missed one of my turns. We have it in regular mode now. We turned off the whole sport mode, and it looks like once we turn left, you know what? I don't know what's going on here. Every single road that it wants me to do, I'm not seeing. So we're just gonna keep going. And we're gonna ride it. So as I've already said, ride is really good. It's really quiet, and I've said that multiple times, but the reason I say it is because most people would think, oh, this is a cheaper car, you would expect it to be louder and all that stuff, but in reality that's not the case. I mean, it drives really good. It's really silent, and my turn is right up here. Sorry, I am focused on this map because I want to make sure I get the right turn so I don't strand myself in the middle of an area. There we go. Cool. Nice plane in the background for why not, I guess. So here, this shows the handling. So the car handles very good. Like I said, it comes with GT tires to start, straight out the factory, and then the handling on it with it being GT line. You know, I don't think there's really much of a difference in terms of the GT line versus the regular ones. I know the GT is slightly different, but with the tires that are on it, and you have the wheels, so that actually is the difference. The wheels handles very well, and it keeps up with itself. Now this is a really light car, so you can throw it around a lot, and you can feel a lot more of the motions and it feels like it's going way quicker than it really is. Then you have all your technology all in it. So like right here, my speedometer, I can see it right here on the screen, which is really cool because I don't have to keep looking at the actual gauge. So a neat little feature. And with all your little bonus features, so you have lane keep assist, you have your blind spot monitoring, all that neat stuff, so it helps you out whenever you're driving. You can turn that stuff off if you want to, but I leave on the blind spot monitoring. Lane keep assist is just kind of weird to me, it pulls around a lot. But overall, this is a very nice car. If you're looking into it and you have any questions, let me know. I've been driving it for a couple weeks, so I should be able to answer whatever you have. And if you want some more information on the car, I do have the full walk around posted to the channel. I'll put it at the end screen so you guys can check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you could. We're out here making videos as much as we can, getting more out to you guys. Don't forget to follow us, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Standingtallautoreviews. And until the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.